the beginning, there was only heat, a chaotic soup of energy with no name. As the furnace cooled, the first building block locked into place. Identity was born. Protons found one another. The code began with a single digit. Hydrogen. Hydrogen, the simplest code. Element 1. Ignition. The universe found its forge. Under impossible pressure, the code evolved. 1 + 1 became 2. Helium. The forge grew hotter, layering the complex elements of life. But at iron, the forge hits a wall. The energy runs out. The code reaches a dead end. Gravity wins. The star collapses, then erupts in a final, magnificent breath. In the chaos of the blast, the heavy elements are born. Rare, precious, heavy. It takes the collision of dead stars to forge the heaviest members of the code. The debris of dead stars became the seeds of new worlds. The elements sort themselves by weight and heat, beginning a new cycle. A billion years of chemistry, written in stone. To understand the code, we must go deeper than the eye can see. Past the outer wall of electrons, into the heart of the matter. The nucleus. The command center of the element. Add one more, and the identity changes forever. Helium, element 2. The proton count is the law. It is the unique ID of every atom. Neutrons are the glue, keeping the identity from tearing itself apart. Lose an electron, and you create an ion. But the heart of the element remains the same. The protons define the name. The electrons define the behavior. In the quantum world, electrons are ghosts of possibility. As the code grows, the shells repeat, building a hidden architecture. Different shapes emerge. Cages of energy that fill according to a strict universal law. The outer skin of the atom begins to repeat, a recurring pattern in the code. The pattern at the center becomes the grid of the universe. Columns are families. They share the same skin and the same behavior. The alkali metals. Desperate, unstable, driven to react. The halogens. Predators seeking completion. And the nobles, content, perfectly balanced, the royalty of the table. The transition metals, a rich landscape of metallic behavior. The table is a map, a predictive engine that tells us exactly how matter will behave. It maps the hidden trends of the universe. The pull of the nucleus, the size of the void, theft and sharing. Bonds are the language of chemistry, the construction of reality. The code built our world, sorting the elements into layers, into oceans, into air. 6 letters, that is all the code needed to write the story of life. From stardust to cells, from chemistry to consciousness. We are the table, organized. Now, we are the creators, forging the heavy, unstable elements at the edge of the known. The universe didn't memorize the table, it generated it, coded in the void. It begins with the simplest shape, the S orbital, a sphere of pure probability.
Then the code expands. 3 axes, 3 dumbbells, carving out the geometry of the second shell.
The D and F orbitals arrive, intricate, mathematical blossoms that define the heavy heart of the table.
The hidden code of the atom becomes the blueprint for the entire world. From the infinitesimal to the infinite. The table is no longer a chart. It is a landscape of energy and desire. Ionization energy rises like jagged peaks, a measure of how tightly an atom clings to its electrons. Electronegativity creates a pull, a chemical hunger that draws the universe together.
Size and scale shift in a rhythmic dance, defining the reach of every element.
In the dark heat of the earth, the elements find their first forge. Carbon, the architect. The only element capable of building the complex scaffolds of life. Water provides the medium, a fluid bridge where chemistry becomes biology. The code of the atom is transcribed into the code of the genome. 1 trillion atoms, working in a choir of unimaginable complexity. We are the periodic table, looking back at itself. Every breath we take was forged in the hearts of dying stars.
One table, one code, the universal language of reality.
From the first shell to the furthest galaxy. It is all beautifully, perfectly coded. Elemental coded.